We are going to review top 5 best microscopes for kids. Let's get started. List number 1. Digital Mini USB Microscope. This digital microscope has a powerful 0x to 1000x magnification. This offers your child the chance to explore a fascinating micro-world. It features 8 high-quality LED lights that offer adjustable illumination, which is awesome. The USB is a Type-C that's compatible with multiple devices such as smartphones, PC, laptops, and multiple operating systems. The frame is metallic with some plastic parts, which make it durable enough for clumsy kids. What you might like about it is the key focus function, which can take photographs with just a touch of a button. The 30MP camera is also a great addition, and for the price, this might be really worth it. List number 2. Plugable USB 2.0 Microscope. Digital microscopes are some of the best inventions yet, and for some good reasons. They're incredibly efficient and downright useful. This digital USB microscope is a good option for kids for their classroom explorations and fun experiments. The frame is a rugged durable plastic that features a 4-foot cable and a 2.0 USB interface. The magnification range goes from 0x to 250x. One of the best parts about it is that it features a flexible stand for lower magnifications. It can be held by hand for point-and-click inspection and can be placed directly on subjects for high-resolution magnifications. It comes with 4 LED dimmable lights, a CMOS sensor, and an easy-to-use controller. Flexible stand. List number 3. AMSCOPE Cordless LED Compound Microscope. Students who are already familiar with science projects will have a field day with this one. With a durable metallic frame, you can be sure that they'll be using it for a long time. It features a 360-degree rotatable monocular head that'll make viewing in different magnifications a lot easier. With 5 different magnification settings that go from 40x to 1000x, it's ideal for tweens that want questions answered. The optical glass elements feature a single lens condenser that has a disc diaphragm. It comes with an LED illumination system that could either use 3 AA batteries or an outlet adapter included. Sturdy metallic frame. 360-degree monocular head. LED illumination. List number 4. AMSCOPE Assorted Prepared Glass Slides. This slide set comes with 25 pieces of prepared glass slides of variable specimens including animals, plants, and insect tissues. These samples are well preserved in cedarwood oil then sealed to prevent contamination. All the slides are labeled for easy identification. They come with optical glass to make viewing easy, and they come with a storage case for safekeeping. Kids will discover so many things they may not be able to find at home with these clear slides. They may want to show them off to friends, which will encourage group learning and interaction. Labeled. Already prepared with specimens. Storage case. List number 5. KIDZLANE Microscope Science Toy. This small but epic microscope is the ultimate toy for your toddler. It comes with several accessories that include a petri dish, tweezers, pretend lizard and spider specimens, and more. Featuring an 8x magnification, it's intriguing enough for small minds without overwhelming them. It'll develop their motor skills as well as hand-eye coordination as they familiarize themselves with the world of science. The fake specimens take things up a few notches, but your child will definitely find other objects around to observe. The focus wheel is easy to turn, and the large soft frame eye-cups make viewing comfortable for kids this age. An illuminating flashlight is included for help in viewing. The frame is made of durable and sturdy plastic,